At around 12:06 a.m. on July 21st, 2026, the Saline County Sheriff's Office called for assistance with a vehicle pursuit near North Sardis Road and Pineview Road. Sergeant Plouch was heading east on Interstate 30 when he got the call. He moved into position at the intersection of Alexander Road and Vimemi Ridge Road, waiting for the pursuit to reach him. Just minutes later, the suspect came speeding through the intersection on Vimemi Ridge Road, heading toward Interstate 30. Plouch immediately joined the pursuit and took the lead.
60. Going over the railroad tracks over the bypass now. 24 Central, 1 with State Police has been on there. Alexander's with you. 24, you call it. 22, just drive. Or get on the service road. Get on the service road, go out and get down with the interstate. Light traffic, speed 60 and 5.
CFS comments headed.
Temporary eastbound passing Hunter Creek.
CFS comments headed.
Right.
Right at Hunter Creek.
Right, 130, I'm behind you over the canyon.
CFS comments headed.
Northbound Hunter Creek headed back to
CFS comments headed.
44 Central, we're calling back over at the Mableville, over back.
Northbound on Otter Creek headed towards baseline.
Otter Creek headed towards baseline.
Hunter Creek headed towards baseline.
Hey, unit Bobby, go ahead.
Eastbound stagecoach.
24, give me an update, speed. Traffic.
CFS comments headed.
Otter Creek approaching, stagecoach. Going north on stagecoach.
CFS
Speeds
comments
are
headed.
50 and 5.
CFS comments headed.
Get the charger up here. Come on.
Drive, speed 110.
Out of Hunter Creek traffic.
Festival Park Drive, we're about
Taking on left onto west baseline, left on the west baseline, light traffic.
Out of Eastbound.
Hey, give us a better location.
CFS comments headed.
Northbound baseline, northbound baseline. Eastbound, east to west.
Temporary northbound on stagecoach passing.
CFS comments headed.
Festival Park Drive, we're about
As the suspect approached a right-hand turn, he was forced to slow down. Plouch saw his opportunity and accelerated, moving into position for a PIT maneuver. But the suspect seemed to anticipate what was coming. He suddenly hit the brakes, disrupting the maneuver and creating an extremely dangerous situation.
Heads up, and they'll be coming out on Lawson area. Don't make it down, man. Looks like the state's set up a bit. Back off them a little bit. Back on the Crystal Valley Road. Back on the Crystal Valley.
West on Crystal Valley Road.
Alright, put him in the ditch. Good boy. Throw him in the E52. Can't do it on the blind road, though.
County, please watch your traffic. I'm not sure what to do. There's a 90-degree turn at the end of Brains Road. We're not better after that. As you see, you're approaching that curve.
As the suspect approached a right-hand turn, he was forced to slow down. Plouch saw his opportunity and accelerated, moving into position for a PIT maneuver. But the suspect seemed to anticipate what was coming. He suddenly hit the brakes, disrupting the maneuver and creating an extremely dangerous situation.
This information, that's the back side of Carter Off-Road Park if you go to the gate.
I'll be in the off-road park.
Yeah, the helicopter.
How far they're getting ready now.
Everybody may be trying to run back up this highway. I'm not sure they might know the ground. Go down the power line.
So far, copy going on the power line. We will be in the off-road park at Carter Park, going to be off the Brains Road. Quick turn around there in the west state line. Still on the power line. So far, copy, still on the power line.
We can get a Bryant unit. You know, in front of the park. These units are right there. In front of the park area. Alexander's headed to the gate now. If we'll leave, sir.
Brian, also it out.
I'm not sure how far.
You're passing the power line and into the woods, probably gonna get closer to the dam.
Fucking head!
With the creek crossing the power line. The subject has bailed out his creek. I'll meet with your directions around the description.
I'm gonna live and you copy that traffic.
The suspect abandoned the vehicle and disappeared into the woods, forcing officers to switch from a vehicle pursuit to a ground search. With the rough terrain making the search difficult, Bryant Police K-9 units were brought in to comb the area. An aircraft was also deployed to search from above. Then, at around 2:53 p.m., the search finally paid off. The suspect was found hiding in the woods about 200 yards from where he had abandoned the vehicle. He was taken into custody without further incident. At around 6:43 p.m. on July 22, 2026, Trooper Thomas was conducting traffic enforcement near mile marker 284 when he spotted a white Toyota Camry traveling unusually slowly in the left lane. Trooper Thomas also noticed that the vehicle's license plate wasn't returning any registration information. He activated his emergency lights and initiated a traffic stop. At first, the driver appeared to cooperate. The Camry signaled right and moved toward an upcoming exit. But just before the turnoff, the driver suddenly accelerated and continued straight. Trooper Thomas quickly realized the driver wasn't going to stop. The Camry picked up speed, turning the routine traffic stop into a pursuit that would soon exceed 100 miles per hour. During the foot pursuit, the suspect occasionally looked back at Trooper Thomas and flashed a smile. At one point, he also appeared to raise his middle finger toward the pursuing officers. But that confidence didn't last long. Trooper Thomas eventually ended the pursuit with a well-executed PIT maneuver. After the impact, the suspect immediately abandoned the vehicle and took off on foot toward a nearby residential neighborhood. Trooper Thomas pursued him, while officers from the West Memphis Police Department arrived to assist. The suspect was quickly apprehended and taken into custody without further incident. Authorities later identified him as Philip Johnson. Investigators also found drugs inside the vehicle, and Johnson was facing additional charges related to the incident. At around 4:07 a.m. on July 26, 2026, Trooper Trey Davis was parked off the side of the road, monitoring traffic for speeding drivers. Then, a white Toyota Prius came speeding past his position. Davis immediately pulled out and gave chase, accelerating to more than 100 miles per hour with his emergency lights and siren activated. But the driver didn't slow down. Instead, he accelerated even harder, turning a routine traffic stop into a high-speed pursuit.
Turn around for 23. Did y'all ever find that? I don't know. I'm trying to catch up to right my car radio's 10:07. I'm 10:37. Eastbound on baseline 30. 106 CBC on a white Toyota Prius.
Okay.
TBI. Hey, show me your heads! Don't move! Don't move! I've got a TBI here on baseline at the 430 overpass before you get to Stagecoach. I've got two at gunpoint. They are cooperative right now. .91, where are you at? I don't give a fuck about your shoe. Let's go. What I want you to do is stand up and we're going to walk right up here to the roadside.
Okay.
Go. After you get to the roadside, get on your knees. Keep going.
The chase came to a sudden end when officers made contact with the suspect's vehicle, sending it off the roadway. The driver was quickly taken into custody. Police have not released his identity, but he is facing multiple charges related to the pursuit.